Hi, Andy from Cisco here at InfoComm 2025. So what we have here is our Cisco RoomKit EQX system. So this is a fully integrated system for medium and large rooms. It works with different displays from 65 inch to 85 inches, and it comes with a fully integrated audio system for spatial audio. And then what we're also showing in here is the newly announced just yesterday Room Vision PTZ camera. So this is a highly intelligent camera that works together with our room system and also the Ceiling Microphone Pro that you see up above you to really help create these cinematic experiences for people. The great thing about these systems is also that they are single cable power over Ethernet accessories, which means we can help really make it easier for IT teams to deploy these systems across their enterprise.